Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the eraser in Microsoft Excel. So open your Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you the use of its eraser. So you have here the home tab, and here I have just inserted a table. Then you will find this one, this draw outside border. Now you have to click on this drop down arrow, and here you will find draw borders. You'll find from here erase border. Click on that. So the use of the eraser in Microsoft Excel is to erase the borders. So all you have to do, so once the eraser is present, as you can see, this is the eraser. It really looks like an eraser, a physical eraser. All you have to do is put this to the line that you want to erase, or the border. As you can see, the one that I'm going to click will be erased to put some sections. It's very useful, especially if you have some lines that you're going to erase in your table, or the borders that you want to erase. So this is the first use. Now you also have here the draw tab. Click on that. And here you can use these tools. You have this highlighter, this red pen, and this black pen. Now, if we're going to draw something on your Microsoft Excel, you also have its eraser, this one. Click on that, and you can also use this to erase as what you have drawn in your Microsoft Excel. So you can use the eraser in the Draw tab to erase your drawing, or to erase the parts that you draw and you don't like it. So that's it. That's how you can easily use the eraser in Microsoft Excel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.